Hello and namaste to everyone. I hope everyone is doing great out there and welcome to Hamal's kitchen. Today I'm making restaurant style spicy Schezwan noodle, which is really yummy and easy to make. Let's start the cooking process. Heat the oil in pan. Once the oil becomes hot, add chopped ginger garlic and fry for a few seconds. Then quickly add sliced onion. Saute for a half a minute, but do not overcook it or brown the onion. Now adding sliced mixed capsicum, sliced cabbage, and cook the vegetables for a few minutes on high flame, but do not overcook the vegetables. Whenever you are cooking any dish influenced by Chinese cuisine, stir fry the vegetables on high flame so the vegetables cook quickly without releasing the water. Now I'm going to add boiled noodles, which I had boiled earlier and applied some oil so they don't stick to each other. Now quickly add all these sauces, 2 to 3 tablespoons of Schezwan chili sauce, or you can use ready-made sauce. Add some salt to taste, some soy sauce, mix it well so all the ingredients mix all together. Stir fry the noodles for 4 to 5 minutes on high flame. Finally, I'm going to add some green onion, mix it well. With this, our yummy and spicy Schezwan noodle is ready. Please leave a comment for the next recipe in the comment section. Hope you guys like this video. Try this recipe at home and enjoy with your family and friends. Thank you guys for watching this video. Stay safe. Bye bye.